Hey, hi everyone, this is Manisha, and in today's video, we are going to see how can we install an integration pack in a sub account. So I have this integration pack which I've released into my sub account. So this is my sub account. Let's see how can we go ahead and install the integration pack in this account. So to do that, we have to click on the integration packs. So on this page, we have this option called Browse Integration Packs. You have to select that. And you will have to filter out your integration pack which you want to install. So this is the one which I want to install. Then click on View. So here you can click on Install. So the integration pack is now successfully installed and you can see it here. So I hope this information helps and thank you for watching.